Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this video I'm going to be talking about one of my moringa trees that is coming out of dormancy. I have a few questions about that and I'd just like some feedback in this video. That's coming up right now. So quickly, once again, these four were all moringas. Two of them didn't make it so well. This got transplanted somewhere else. This is now a pair. This is also a pair. And this moringa root ball didn't make it. So that was transplanted. These two are doing really well. This one's doing exceptionally well. So as you can tell by the base of the moringa tree, it is growing out a lot of new leaves and new branches from the base. And when you go up, you can see that there's a lot of new growth throughout. I mean, we're going even down to here, all the way to the bottom. And it goes all the way up. My question is, should I prune off those bottom branches so these top ones have more energy to grow out thicker, bigger branches? Because I don't want any branches coming from the bottom going out, 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 out. I want a lollipop looking moringa. I don't want a moringa bush. I want 4 feet to 3 feet high, and then the moringa branches out into a nice tree and a nice canopy. But do you think that if I remove all these little sprouts coming out, would that affect negatively on this tree as a whole? What I'm hoping that doesn't happen is I remove all these little sprouts on the side, and all of a sudden, for some reason, these sprouted nodes that are trying to produce leaves and branches just die off. And now I just removed everything. And a little update on this one. Still green when you do the scratch test, but still in dormancy. At least I think so. So let me know in the comment section if you think I should prune off everything at the bottom except for these branches, because I want this tree to gain energy. I don't want to remove all this and these and just leave a few on top to hopefully branch out. I believe these branches on the bottom here are giving the roots energy, so I'm going to leave them. But do you think that I should remove all these nodes? There's quite a few. So I really appreciate if you guys will share your opinions in the comment section below. And as always, happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.